Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to connect Philips Hue to Smart Life application in 2026. So first of all, you need to understand one important thing. Philips Hue does not directly connect to the Smart Life app. They are two different ecosystems. Hue is a closed system while Smart Life supports many brands but not Hue natively. So you won't find Hue inside Smart Life devices list. Now Philips Hue uses its own Hue bridge and ecosystem while Smart Life uses Tuya based devices. Because of this, you can't directly pair Hue lights inside Smart Life normal devices. Now, the correct way to connect both is via the automation tools like it is called IFTTT. So the steps is to basically install this IFTTT app. Then you are going to connect your Philips Hue account with it. Then you are going to connect your Smart Life account with it. After that, you can create an automation, and this is going to basically link both the systems indirectly and it works reliably. You can also connect both the devices using Google Home, Alexa, or SmartThings. You can add both Hue and the Smart Life there, and then you can control them together from one place. So you can try these alternatives and see if it is working for you. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.